Welcome to another episode of Pack Rat City. Alright, got another box from shopgoodwill.com. So let's see what's inside. First of all, number 8 Budweiser Dale Earnhardt Jr. Beer can. Which they finally brought back to 8 this season with Daniel Hemrick. Or was that last season? No, it was this season. Dale Earnhardt Sr. Diecast, Daytona 500 and Winner's Circle. Can't see the year without opening it. I might have a double of this, but in case I don't want to open it. Alright, I don't know how to say this last name. Buckshot. Don't know what Buckshot is first. But anyway, just says Buckshot. I don't know. So I don't know the history of this car. I would have thought it would have been Kyle Petty, but due to no Hot Wheels sponsor on it. Now this one's kind of torn, so I will open it in a later episode. It also comes with a 44 decal magnet or whatever it is. Not sure if those were magnets back then. Like today's diecast come with. And then next up, this one I know well enough. Number 36 NAM's Kenny Schrader. I don't know. This is supposed to be some kind of radio. Oh, remote control car. Yeah, it's a Dale Earnhardt Sr. guessing remote control car. Kind of threw me off with this little antenna that's included, but I guess you put that on the diecast or the remote. Radio control car. Well, almost the same thing, I think. Well, kind of the first time ever I actually got an ornament bulb for NASCAR, featuring the Intimidator himself, Dale Earnhardt Sr. Funny how back then number 3 wasn't that popular with me, but nowadays it's one of the most popular numbers around. Alright, magnetic flashing pin to the 45 car. Not sure if it's supposed to be Adam Petty or a different 45. I don't know the history of 45 except for Adam Petty. Other than that, you could torture me to death to try to figure out anything about the 45 car and in history, and I wouldn't know. Anyway, next up, NASCAR Now magazine. Looks like featuring Matt Kenseth, Dale Earnhardt Jr. Not sure if that's supposed to be Smoke or Logano. Alright, it's Smoke. It's Tony Stewart. Jeremy Mayfield, number 12, Mobile One diecast. Number 43, Bobby Hamilton diecast. More of a display one rather than a toy. Featuring goodies. Something I'm not used to seeing on the 43 car. But that's a real cool pack, though. That's red and blue just like the car itself. Well, only a matter of time before Snowbell got involved, but unfortunately, Snowbell, you're too wet to jump in that box right now. Alright, final item. And seen this thing for so many years, at last I finally got one. My very first Adam Petty diecast, along with Kyle Petty, along with John Andretti. I knew the 43 wasn't Richard. I assumed it at first until I actually seen the names. Long time ago, going to Grandpa's swap shop, I seen one of these, but K-Dog bought it. So we both pretty much targeted that same item, but he beat me to it. But now I have my own. Father's Day Edition, 1999, Series 2. And there's a lot of writing back here. Just pause the read. Not really found this cool. The Petty Racing 50th Anniversary. Anyway, that's all for this episode of Pack Rat City. Please buy my shirts and other merchandise at teespring.com. I'll have the link in the description. I'll try to have a nice day. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more.